So this is Henry Margu's curly hat, which I'm gonna unfurl for you in just a second. And this is in the color 14H. This is their Hair Accents by Henry Margu line. These are great to wear outside in the summer. So let's see. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. How fun is that? I'm gonna go ahead and take this tag off so I can show it to you a little bit better. It also has this plastic bit in here to help it maintain its shape when it's being shipped. So I'm gonna take that out. So this is actually a hat that has the hair already attached to it. So it's a single unit. On the inside of this hat, you can see it does have grip features already built in to help make this as secure as possible in case you want to wear this golfing or for sporting events or something like that. This is a very comfortable cap, I will say that. And it breathes a whole heck of a lot better than trying to wear a wig with a hat on top of it. Every summer I get into this conversation with people via social media usually where they're like, what's the best wig I can wear underneath a hat? And my answer is always don't do that, because nothing's gonna be more uncomfortable than wearing a hat on top of a full wig, regardless of that wig's cap construction, because it doubles the weight of what's on top of your head. And you sort of have to remember that one of the only real benefits to having no hair is that you stay cool when it's hot outside, and you completely defeat the purpose of that if you put a full wig on and then a hat on top of it. Furthermore, you know, the wetter a synthetic wig gets, and synthetic wigs in particular, I know they're less expensive and they keep their style and there are lots of virtues to wearing them, they trap heat like whoa. So if it's a synthetic wig you're putting underneath the hat and it's right up against your head, you'll sweat a lot, and you know, long story short, it will start to feel like a really hot basket hanging out on top of your head all day. And that gets very itchy, very uncomfortable. Some people will break out in hives. It's not a good scene. So this is a much better alternative. And frankly, a halo with a sun hat on top is also a great alternative, or just the hat period is usually a great alternative to wearing a full wig with a hat on top. I mean, I can't state that enough, that that's needlessly uncomfortable for most people. This is a great choice though, because it'll give you that little bit of hair, and you can always have somebody trim this up for you if you want. It's curly, so you can hide a multitude of cutting sins with a curly wig. But I mean, it's already got the hair attached. It'd be equally cute if you made it into a little lob, and that way you never have to worry about what you're gonna wear with your halo. It's already kind of built in. This is great for sporting events, good for golf. On my head, it fits a little bit on the snug side, but I have an average large size. So let me see if I can let this in or out. Oh, you totally can. Okay, so you lift up the thing in the back and you can let this out. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, that's way more comfortable. This is adjustable even with my big old head, and it makes a really nice sort of resort piece or golf piece or weekend piece or ball game piece, you name it. So this is the curly hat. You can get it in black or beige, that refers to the color of the cap, and this is from Henry Margu. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, bringing you all sorts of reviews this season in addition to the color spotlights and, you know, little FYI videos and all kinds of stuff. So if you like that sort of content, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and while you're at it, check out our wig store. Until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.